today's world, where stress and imbalance have become a norm, yoga and spirituality offer a much needed anchor. They are no longer just practices, they are powerful tools for modern living and helping us find clarity, calm, and connection. Our guest today is someone who beautifully bridges the gap between science and soul. With over 20 years of experience, she holds a PhD in yoga and spiritual sciences and has a deep academic connect with pharmacy. Her strong understanding of human anatomy adds a unique depth and perspective into her yoga teachings, but that are not just spiritual but also scientifically grounded. From mentoring PhD scholars to working hands on with NGOs to help underprivileged communities, she is someone who lives her practice every day. उनकी जर्नी से मैं ये समझना मिलेगा सबको हमें कि योगा सिर्फ एक आसनास और प्राणायाम का प्रैक्टिस नहीं है, वो एक कंप्लीट लाइफस्टाइल है. I would like to welcome Dr. Rashmita Sabar. In today's episode, we'll explore how integrating scientific knowledge with spiritual practices can truly transform the way we live. Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Namaste. Myself, Dr. Rashmita. Thank you, Akshita, for the lovely introduction. Yes, definitely we will talk about so many things regarding yoga, yogic science, lifestyle, and nowadays how yoga is going to help you in every now. So let's discuss.
So, first and foremost,
Yes.
welcome to the show.
Thank you.
So, I would like to ask you why yoga? Because today in this world right now we live in, yoga is definitely something that's trending, that's hot. Everybody is trying to jump on the train of yoga.
Yes.
But you started practicing yoga 20 years ago when it wasn't such a big deal. So why yoga?
Okay, let's connect it very easily and very simply. So when we started practicing yoga back like 20 years ago, it was like people are seeing me like, why yoga? Like being in pharmacist, yoga. So it was there was no connection for people like why I'm doing yoga. But yeah, destiny has written something differently for me because being a pharmacist, I was very much keen with my physical practices, physical body, and I wanted something to add on to it with a chemical part to physical body or spiritual one. And that's how I turned into yoga, and literally I started for myself. Like, let's see, we'll give a chance to practice and see what is happening. And later on it is like, I am into it and I am living it and people are getting inspired out of it. So yes, I'll explain in further steps how and why yoga is very good for now, like before and in future as well.
So I was going through your work. You've written multiple books, and I read your PhD thesis, which was amazing. It was about stress management in working women in urban areas, right?
Yes.
So what made you choose that topic?
Okay, so it is a similar kind of story to everyone. It's not about only me. When I used to think much about for the female categories to how we could help them. It was like more like a family or a female who is working at home, doing all those household things and all. I was thinking about them. When I went into the corporate world, I saw a female is not more than only just a like employee. She is a mother, she is a wife, she is an employee, everything three in one, you know. मैंने कहीं तो अभी सुना था एक कोट पढ़ा था कि जो एक फीमेल है ना वो काम से लौट के काम पे जाती है. So it's not about कि आप घर पे जाके you are getting relaxed and you're getting everything to you. It's not about that. So I thought of why can't we target these mental health and yoga is definitely going to help in all sorts, like your physical things taken care, mental, your spiritual, everything will be taken care of, and out of that you can save your money as well, you know. When your health is completely into your hand, your money is with you as well. So लेडीज तो जाती है बाहर कमाने के लिए, तो बचाना भी तो जरूरी है. सो जब तुम अपना हेल्थ बचा सकते हो तो पैसा बच गया ऑटोमेटिकली. सो आई एम डूइंग 2 in 1, you know. So that's how it started.
Yeah. So ठीक है, I agree with you. But a mother who basically works not just a 9 to 5, but she works from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. at night.
True.
How can she fit a 10-minute practice of yoga into her such busy schedule?
Okay. So this is the question being asked every time. अरे मेरे पास तो time ही नहीं है. You have to take your time. It's not about anyone can give you time. And everyone is running 24 hour, you know. So आपको 24 hour में ही काम करने हैं. If I'll ask भगवान जी मुझे 24 घंटे में से 48 घंटे कर दो ताकि वो और 12 घंटे 24 घंटे मैं अपने लिए डालूंगे. It is not like that. You have to take your time because I told you ना जैसे मैंने पहले बोला कि this time I'm helping you and the money part is also taking care of you when I'm talking about the yoga practices or like mental health or physical health. The same way, if yoga being practiced at least for 10 minutes, that means you are taking care of a life for 1 hour or 2 hours. It's like, if simply thing I'll tell you, it's about yoga nidra or simple basic practices known as yoga nidra. So in general life, people don't get much of the sleep. So they're struggling to get the deep sleep. If you will practice yoga nidra for 45 minutes, you will get the deep sleep of 2.5 hours. And it is undisturbed. So that is how you're saving your energies to utilize in your working place. So these all things you can take care of and yoga practices. And definitely, if you have heard about that 1 minute yoga,
1 minute yoga challenge.
yes, no,
Yeah.
no, it's not about challenge. It's about 1 minute yoga practice.
Okay, no, I've not heard about
Okay,
it.
it is like a very popular practice. I think 10 years, 10, 11 years back, because everyone is complaining like yoga तो अच्छा है, but
I mean,
नहीं है मैं कैसे टाइम निकालूं. So ट्रेनर्स भी वो बहुत कम नहीं है. हम ट्रेनर्स भी आप लोगों को माइंड से बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं. So we started with what 1 minute yoga. Let's do it. हम आपको 30 minutes नहीं करना है, 60 minutes नहीं करना है, ठीक है 1 minute में करना है. What does that mean? That means we wanted you to practice 1 minute for the complete awareness. So it's like mindfulness. 1 minute आप आपके लिए टो से लेके हेड तक एक्सपीरियंस करें सर. Appreciate करें how the legs are helping you 24 hours to stand. That is so yoga. Appreciate your heartbeat, how it is like beating till the end. When it stops, you are dying. So appreciate that one. The blood circulation is reaching to each and every part of the organ and they are into function. So appreciate it. That is how the 1 minute yoga you can practice. And everything is about yoga is like Sthiram, Sukham, Asana. Whatever the asana, that means the state of standing, sitting or lying you are acquiring, if you are feeling happiness into it, that is the form of asana or yoga.
So yoga is not just the stereotypical asana pranayam, it's also introspective, right?
Yes.
Right.
This is how it is always meant of, like physical yoga practices only visible when you are practicing, but internally the mind, body, spirit are connecting all together. It's not about only the physical practice you see it. Only the seed you can see, the outer cover of the seed, but inside the seed everything is loaded. Only you need the proper time, earth to nurture. That is how.
So the lifestyle, let's talk about the lifestyle
Okay.
of the females that are working extremely hard. So we all know in the current times our lifestyles are terrible and leading to a lot of diseases like PCOD, PCOS and so forth.
Yes.
So will yoga help us at least feel better or treat it of some sort?
Okay, I could frame it in a better way
Mhm.
when we talk about helping someone, these days. So first of all, it's not a problem at all. It is a discomfort which is occurring due to your lack of healthy lifestyle.
Right.
So as you only mentioned the healthy lifestyle, you should be needed into that.
Mhm.
Literally, a healthy lifestyle can